Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. I know it's been forever, but I really just needed a break and I figured that I would start with my everyday makeup tutorial coming back on, only because a lot of you ladies usually ask me how I do my makeup, and I'm thinking of just trying different content and just seeing how I feel about filming. So the reason I was MIA is because I've really just been feeling super tired and unmotivated to film hair videos. So I don't have like a perfect excuse of why I pretty much disappeared on you ladies. Although I've been trying to post on my Instagram and my Facebook on the stories, and like the one off post here and there on Instagram and Facebook. So you don't follow me there, then definitely make sure you do follow me there. I try to update you guys more often there, and I think it's just much easier than making a YouTube video, so I do that more often there. So if you're following me on Instagram and YouTube, you know that I am away right now. So on a regular basis, or like my usual life, I live in Canada, and at the moment I am in Kenya. Actually, I am in Ivory Coast at the moment, but I was in Kenya prior to coming here, and I will be leaving Ivory Coast in basically a few days again, going back to Kenya, and then after that I'll be going back home to Canada. So that's what I've been up to right now, and honestly the reason for the trip, I know with COVID and everything, people really like we should stay inside, but I really just needed a break. Basically, I needed to do something different, to be in a different environment. I think either to get myself motivated or just to, I feel like just to sort of like reset my life. It's not that I wasn't happy with the way my life was going. I'm actually happy with my life, and I feel like I actually accomplished the goals that I set out to accomplish this year. I just, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. But if you've ever felt like that, then I don't know, leave a comment down below and let me know how you went through it and how you dealt with it. But that's really why I've been MIA. And I was actually looking at the last video that I uploaded. It says that I uploaded my last video like 50 days ago. So I'm just like, wow, girl, how can you disappear for that long? Thank you for all the messages. Thank you for everyone who's been checking in on me, the emails, the DMs, the messages on Facebook. I've seen all of them. I really appreciate it. And thank you to actually a lot of YouTubers. I didn't realize that some YouTubers actually watch my channel too. So I really appreciate the messages and the encouraging messages of support and not to give up and all that good stuff. So I really appreciate all that, and I appreciate you ladies. I hope you'll continue watching the channel. I'm going to be changing things up a little bit. I'm not sure yet the direction it's going to head, but I'm basically just listening to my mom, who basically just said just that, and it's going to set itself on what kind of content I'd like to add on the channel. So I'm definitely going to still have hair videos, because you all know how much I love doing my hair, and I know a lot of you found them really helpful and you just like seeing the simple hairstyles that I get up to. So I'm definitely going to continue sharing that, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more like makeup, as you're seeing right now, and maybe some vlogging. I think filming different content is going to help me get more excited about filming again, and also editing. It is a creative outlet for me, so when I do the same thing over and over again, it doesn't feel as creative anymore. But I feel like if I film different videos or different types of videos, then it's going to help me still continue being creative and learning more about editing, because I absolutely enjoy editing and the challenges, or the little challenges that I find sometimes when I can't do anything. So I look forward to doing that again, and also to connecting back with you ladies. It's December, literally the last month of 2020, and 2021 is coming. I don't know if it's going to be any different from 2021. Hopefully it is. I've been seeing like news for the vaccine for COVID. Are you guys going to take it or not? What do you feel about it? I'd love to know. Leave it in the comment section down below. I'm seeing some airlines saying that they won't let people in the plane if you don't have that vaccine. So I don't know. I feel like just because of that, a lot of people end up taking it because they want to travel. And honestly speaking, I want to travel, and I probably will just take it. I don't know. But we'll see how it goes and how the world reacts to it. But All in all, to say I am back, and I appreciate you ladies for being patient with me and for being here with me and for checking in on me and for always being supportive. I've noticed that the channel has grown so much in this time that I've been absent. So for all the new subscribers, oh my gosh, welcome back. I've seen your comments and I'm loving it. I'm glad you're loving the videos and the channel. I will probably do more like how I take care of my hair videos, because I've seen a lot of questions about that and how I moisturize and all that stuff. So maybe I'll do like more videos of when I'm doing my wash days, and I'll just show you the different products that I'm using. And when I change up my products, I'll also show you that as well. Um, One question that I've been getting mostly is how to get your hair soft. Girl, you just need to moisturize that hair. You need to moisturize it and just think of your hair as a routine and not focusing on long hair or anything like that, but focus on healthy hair and your hair will go healthy. I hope the makeup video is really pretty self-explanatory. I try to add notes so that you can see what I'm doing, because I wasn't planning on talking about makeup. I was really just planning on doing a life update and just showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup. So when I filmed this video, I was actually in Kenya, so it's not like my regular settings, and I don't have lighting and anything. So I don't have lighting in anything, but I just wanted to film, and because I got the inspiration, which I really haven't had for like the longest time, I figured I'll just post it for you ladies, and hopefully it's okay quality. It's not the same quality of the videos that I usually upload, but it is something. And once I get back home, we'll definitely get back to like the regular quality and hopefully improved quality. Since I'm feeling kind of inspired actually, so I'm hoping this inspiration will last until I get back home and get back to filming. But I hope you enjoyed the video, ladies. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome. For all the old subscribers that have been so supportive, thank you, ladies. I really, really appreciate you. I hope you're having a lovely day. And if you don't know yet, I really upload my videos just to encourage you ladies to just take one little step that is going to help you change your day to day. If that is putting on lipstick, y'all know how I love lipstick. If it's putting on your eyebrows, like just getting them done, like you don't have to use an eyebrow pencil, but maybe make a commitment to go and get them threaded or waxed or whatever method you normally use, to have them looking pretty and popping, or just putting on foundation. And I hope that makes you feel better. I hope you take your time today when you get up, before you step outside. Take your time to look at yourself in the mirror. If not to do anything, just look at yourself and appreciate yourself for all the amazing things that you've carried yourself through. Thank you, ladies. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you ladies on Wednesday with a new video. And this is pretty much it for this video. And I love y'all. Have a lovely, lovely week. Bye.